So I think I ruined this one. I overheated it or ripped off a pad or something. Maybe I'll repair it later. But for now, this one works. This is the one that I didn't use yet. I connected it properly, soldered it, and now it works. If I plug it into the USB, it starts charging, and it will light up blue when it's done. So yeah, now it's Oops, I interrupted it. Bad contact. I disconnect it and reconnect. Yeah. So this was designed very smartly, because if anything goes wrong with the cell, which kind of the default mode that it goes wrong. Yeah, mine arrived dead. So if anything goes wrong with the cell, then it switches off the charging. That's until you unplug it and plug it back in. So that's a very, very, very good safety feature and good to know. So yeah, maybe I'll repair this one. It has multiple problems that I see, but yeah, it shouldn't be hard to fix. And I'll have 2 bays to quickly charge up some batteries. I mean, quickly, it will still take like 10 hours, but yeah, at least overnight it will be done. With the other charger, with this charger, it takes up to 2 days to charge up the biggest capacity batteries. That's a really bad bad experience. Like 2 days. Nobody ever charges up a phone or something for 2 days. Even an electric car you charge up in a couple hours, not days. Okay, so it's success. And maybe I will buy a couple more of those batteries, so I'll have more charging chips, charging electronics to play around with.